Love isn't just about how far you go, but also how far have you came.
Thinking back on a few years, went from friends to lovers to here, went from broke to better off, damaged to better things, broken hearts to wedding rings. Look at us chasing these dreams, no doubt I'm still here. And if you lost